All right, good morning, everyone. Today is April 20th. We will be trading either GBP, USD, or USD JPY for today. Are going to do a quick analysis on the two pairs, kind of get an idea of what's going on for today. I already see we have support level. Approaching the New York session open. Here I'm going to place a buy. Stop loss. That'll take it up the rest of the range. J. Right, so right now we are looking at USD JPY. We are currently in some buys, anticipating for the next 30 minutes to kind of push us up. If not, we have a stop loss below the current rectangle at 108.316. That's where we have it set. 316. We are sitting at a support level at 108.38. We have this push. We have a retest. And then this resistance is pretty much creating its support level. I'm going to say 300 to 108.300. All whole numbers. 108.300. 108.500. So we already have a bullish engulfing right here that took place. So that's one sign that we could go up. We are at support, so we're buying. currently 637. So this is pretty much what we're looking for right here. Got our retrace off of support and for that push up. It's pretty much what we're looking for. Alright, so the next candle, this one right here, because that's our previous daily high. Right here is our previous daily high levels that would need to be retested again. So we have a stop loss right underneath the previous candle on 5-minute chart, 15-minute pushed up. So if we can get a bullish engulfing for the next 5 minutes, that would be great. Have an automatic stop loss on our trade so that once it finally pushes that 15 pips, it's going to start moving it by itself. Well, as soon as it starts moving, it's going to pull it. So can at least catch 10 pips off of the move with the automatic 15 pip stop loss, but eventually we want to let it run. We want this to finish pushing up. $6.41. It hasn't moved much. XRP back at $1.36 or $1.30. We have 2 minutes and 2 minutes left until this candle closes. 15-minute. We are, looks like we want to engulf the previous candle. If we can continue pushing up and close above around 108.405, that would be great. That would just give us more confirmation that we're going to head up for the New York session at this vertical line here. 30 seconds left until the next 5-minute candle. So the previous candle just closed bullish. We are at a higher high. We're inside of that candle range. So this candle should push up. H4 is bullish, so I kind of see this pushing up. We're currently just waiting at the moment. You're just waiting at the moment, so nothing too important going on. We're just waiting. 649. Are just waiting. All right, so basically what we're seeing right here, we have all this consolidation. We broke out of it, we're retesting, and it's gonna shoot us up. That's pretty much what we're looking for. I'm gonna be back in 5 minutes. I'm gonna go make me some water. Trying to just step away from the charts. Let's just let it do its thing. Beautiful. Like we expected, I want to dial down that automatic stop loss now. We're covering our spreads. We don't want a winner to go into a loser. I don't think this is going to pull back where it's at. So in momentum, I think we're going to head up. So we have 3 minutes and 11 seconds left until the next 15-minute candle opens. So I think this is going to be a nice push. We're going to get a little push. Might pull the automatic trailing stop a little higher. Possibly get stopped out on that next liquidity grab. But either way, we covered our spreads. We are good for right now. We have 2 minutes and 43 seconds left. Put up. Give it a little more time. Right now, we are experiencing another bullish engulfing. So as long as we could stay closed where we are, and we are engulfed this entire candle on the higher time frame, 15 minutes. We're above the previous 15-minute candle that's bearish. That gave us some type of direction. Now we know that that direction is no longer there. Getting more support from this 108.3 level. We're breaking through 108.4 at the moment. Could head up towards 108.5. Still the range. So we have this consolidation, we have the breakout, test, and then paper we last night. How well can you see that on the stream? I can't. But something I've just been having taped to my wall for the last 5 years. It's just basic market structure. Break and retest of all support levels, resistance levels, all works the same. Close outside of that consolidation, 15-minute. Now New York open, the new hour candle just opened. Got a lot of rejection from the lower side, and this So I moved my stop loss up a little more, right underneath the candle, because I know if the hour candle makes any lower than what it is now, that we could have a potential of just retracing farther. So that would just that would give me a better entry if we were to go below that price. So I'm gonna let it hit my stop loss if it goes down. Not tripping. If anything, we took a profit on that, covering our spreads, commissions, everything's good. You just want this to push up. All right, we have a minute and 40 seconds left until the next 5-minute candle. I don't see any bearish activity. I think the next one could push up. We're in the New York session, so I'm expecting a lot of volume to start pulling in. Our stop loss could possibly. All right, so our stop loss just got hit. Small bearish activity. Nothing crazy happening. Have 25 minutes until the next 30 candle. We have 2 minutes until the next 5 candle. Let's see. All right, so now we just wait for the price to tell us what it's doing, because it's already gone against. It's hit our stop loss. There's no need to rush it. Let's see what it does. See what it does for the 30-minute candle. 15-minute at least. If anything, GJ looks like a sell. Not say that just yet. This could reject into a bearish. Let's just give it some time. We're sitting at a resistance level at 108.4 currently. Can't break above it and stay closed, then it's not going to be considered a support level. So we need to find support before we take any more buys. This was our support level down here, 108.334. Got a new member. You have 21 seconds left until the next 5-minute candle. Are pretty much in the same analysis. Are buying at this area, looking for it to go up towards 108.5. Previous hour was bullish with a lot of rejection towards the downside. Pushing up really nice. Glad we got our re-entry on there. Update this analysis. Screenshot. Right, we have a minute and 23 seconds left until the 15-minute candle closes. This 5-minute candle doesn't look like it's gonna pull back, so I think I'm gonna take the analysis or execution page off because we literally have two of the same pages. It's already kind of hard to be able to edit in between me trading the chart and editing the analysis page. So may just do away with one of the channels so that we can knock it all out at once. DJ looks like it wants to get out of its box as well. Alright, so this candle on UJ isn't really cooperating. Just watching it close. I'll manage the risk. DJ sells coming from resistance, broke the previous support level at 151.365 and looking to push down towards 151.2. All right, so UJ stop loss got hit. UJ just wick this out. All right, target on GJ is 151.2. Have 6 minutes left until the 15-minute candle closes. They just picked us out. Oh well, just another stop out. It's all good. If GJ ends up pulling through, we'll make double our profits made on UJ. No worries. 29 seconds left. GJ is going through beautifully. The 5-minute candles are bearish. Minute and 21 seconds left until the candle close. are at the start of the 30-minute and 15-minute candle. UJ still active in the buys. Man, we were in a great entry way down here. Ended up getting stopped out. It is 7:34. We're out of GJ. USD JPY is currently at 108.478. We are just waiting for price to show us what it wants to do. If we can break above 108.5, that would thinking that it's possible for the new 4-hour open. Finish pushing up and fill this wick off to the left, and that leaves us at 108.544. Close with enough momentum at 108. Go through it and start coming up. Okay. Can we tap 108.5? We tap 108.5. I do an analysis on Ethereum. All right, so Ethereum looks like we are coming off of a support level 4-hour. Let me just respond to this guy real quick and I would finish up. All right, so Ethereum. Trade got stopped out on UJ. All right, and that's pretty much going to be our trading day. Our analysis was spot on. We hit 108.500 from 108.4. We did get stopped out from 108.4 once we caught this liquidity grab, but we ended up pulling all the way up to 108.5, which was the exact target we were looking for. So there's nothing more that we can get. There's nothing more that we can ask. We were in it. We just got stopped out. We re-entered around 108.3 up 43 and took it all the way up to 108.5. Ended up getting stopped out, but it's all good. There's always tomorrow, and we are going to do a quick analysis for Uni. All right, Ethereum. We are on support level. Hold here. We have a support here. And a minor support there. So if we can continue to close, we are gonna pull back. This is looking like a buy area. If we can stay closed above 118.90, if we can stay above there, that is our buy zone. We have rejection here. Started rejection, came up, rejected again. We're also testing back at around 21.99. So right now, this is your entire buy area until you get further confirmation of a break here for that continuation up. And then again, we always want to see it come back. At some point, we want to see it come back and break and retest like such. Retrace up to here. There's multiple different scenarios, but we just have to wait for this leg to bring us outside of the consolidation, because all of this area is just rejection and waiting for price to tell us what it's going to do. So we want to wait for it to get above that line at 2181.2. That is just a rough range right inside of this area. I want to see it close above 2186 for us to consider buys. And if we can break below 1943, then we're looking for sells. All right, for you. Highs above 81 point. Got cells below. Row. Confirm that. Got a low of 2050. Caller. This. Alright, so our Ethereum analysis is posted. Have rejection from 108.5. Wow. Have 5 minutes left until our 4-hour candle opens. And I think we are going to call it a day. We Our hour and 23 minutes in. We already passed our New York session volume. See, this entire push was the volume for the session. Vertical line came through at 15, pushed up. So I identified we were at support at this level. We were at support. Let me see if I could see it on the screen so I can adjust. All right. So we were over here once we started analyzing. Right over here. So we knew we were at a support level. I wanted to break outside of here. And that was going to be our entry levels. We waited. Price then broke out on this candle. Price broke out. We waited. 15-minute candle. Opens up. Still waiting. And we have all this area to enter at this point. So this is all of our entry level. We ended up getting stopped out right here. You could see that it dipped a little lower. Stopped us out and then ended up continuing. That's why it's very important to kind of manage and have a plan on what's going on, because we didn't know if it was going to close that low, but ended up pulling all the way back up just to get people stopped out. Whoever was in the trade got stopped out, and it was up to them to re-enter. We ended up re-entering. Price came all the way up to our target at 108.5, and that's all we can expect. Price then rejected all the way back down from there. We have a strong rejection, also 3 hits from 108.5, so that's a strong resistance level. All in this area, we got resistance. So that's just another sign that we could be going down at some point. But at this point, we already got what we analyzed. The market gave us what we were expecting. So if we try to fit anything else into that space, we're just trying to put square holes in a circle. Square blocks in a circle hole. Just trying to make everything fit, and that is not a good idea whenever the market already presented what it would do for the day, and we're just sitting there trading it. I want to stick with one analysis. We ended up getting it spot on at 108.5. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. Great job, everyone. We were analyzing. Get my ready. Did take a small loss today, but it's only because we got stopped out and we entered GJ could have been profit, but we didn't set an automatic take profit, so that once it dropped down, it didn't set anything. That was our fault on that one. Ended up coming through, and we are sitting at $6 loss. All right, looking for a buy USD BY. We were in it at 8.383 out. 08.395 did get stopped out. Took I on UI in 108.4, 108.1, cents, sell. 151.5. We're out at one. Stopped out at break even. Mission. Took another Y in 40, out at 108 point. Also got stopped out. Plus cents. DJPY point 40, out at two minus. So either way, we did take a loss. I still count that as a win because our analysis was right. I don't care about winning the money, profiting. I care about my analysis being right. I know what to do for next time. I'm going to be more confident in me not getting stopped out, not having my stuff set so early, and just having that patience. Us leaving, kind of giving the market time to fluctuate, show us what it was going to do, definitely helped out. So I already know what to do next time, and we are going to be more confident and stay patient. So got minus dollars. That leaves $108.39. So easy to make up. April price consolidated. Report. Able to identify for session, New York session. Place buys. Dissipation. To move bullish. in the hour slash hour time frame. Support was at 108.4. Target 108.5. Stopped out. And we entered once the $15.25 candle broke the previous candle high. Stay confident. Allow markets move. Let's markets to good job, everyone. I would say today was a successful day. Although we took a loss, that's not what we're focused on. We turned the charts on, and our analysis was 100% correct. No down draws, there was no nothing. If we wouldn't have gotten stopped out or never would have set our automatic stop losses too early, we would have been 100% profitable and 100% correct. There is some days where you have something like this where the wick is going to come down just a little lower than you expected, is going to take you out. Those are just days where you just have to deal with it. There's nothing that you can force in or on the market for this to make it go your way. There is nothing that you can possibly do. Just have to wait, let the markets breathe, let the market show you what it's going to do, because the market has a mind of its own. The market's already 80% algorithms, robots, things trading for other people. So these things are constantly accumulating orders and executing and the whole 9 yards. So we have to stay ahead of that. Fluid in the market. As you can see, price came all the way up to 108.5. We touched 108.510. Immediately rejected 50% of the entire move, and we aren't even back at 108.5 yet. So that shows you that there's certain times that this is supposed to happen. You're going to be spot on. You take the profits. We're out. Today's already done with. We're an hour and 37 into our trading day. The trading day is completely done. You can see that it was done in the first and only 40 minutes. So from the minute that it opened, it took 40 minutes for the entire move to go through. So that's all we waited for, is for it to just do that. All morning, all we did was wait for it to happen. Might have left for 6 minutes. Came back, market structure was there. Ended up showing us our confirmation that what we were looking for in bullish momentum, off of support, we're going to head up to 108.5, and that's what it did. So you can see that we were 100% right. There's nothing to complain about for today. The loss was actually counted as a win because we were right in our analysis. That's what matters. And we know if we could do it this time, we could do it tomorrow and the next day and the next day. So do not let any of that interfere with the way that you learn how to trade. Trading is 100% skill-based and psychological. You have a choice to place your own trades. You have a choice to manage. You just need a plan before and after the fact so that you can profit in the market. Like I said, we were right in our analysis, and we are going to call it a day. There's nothing more that we really need to do. DJ didn't move much. We're actually back above, so you're trying to take sells. We should not have taken sells. UJ, it went to our take profit level. Ethereum, it's looking for buys above 2,281.5 and sells below 2,048. XRP, I'm not going to do a full analysis on because I want to see how this week closes. It's a very, very important week, and we have a lot of rejection from the downside. But this month, if we can close, this wick is going to get filled. I just want to see how we're going to close and where. So we are going to call it a day. I want to thank everyone for joining, tuning in, wherever you are. Have a great night and a great day, and I will be catching everyone tomorrow. Actually, I will not be on tomorrow. I am getting a procedure done. I'm not sure how long the recovery is going to take. If I can be on the charts Thursday morning, I will be here. We don't trade on Fridays, but I will keep everyone updated in the Discord. Wednesday, we will not be trading. So, if anything, I'll trade by myself because I could do it off of my phone and I will be at the hospital. But other than that, I will try to update everyone as soon as I possibly can. And this is going to be our last stream for the day. If I can do a call tonight, we can surely do that. So I want to thank everyone for joining, and I will catch you later.